the goal here is that when people land on your website, you want to make sure that the right people stay and want to read more. And then whoever is not that person just figures out, oh, okay, so this isn't for me. I'm going to stop wasting my time and leave. So you're going to end up with less people booking discovery calls with you that are a wrong fit. The second step is then to describe that emotional pattern or that problem that they've been dealing with. And you really want to dig in here to the emotional cycle where they're stuck. And so the reason that you're doing this here is making sure that people feel understood. So when they're reading this, they're going to be like, okay, yeah, this is me. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, this is exactly how I feel. This person really gets me. And so here, you really want to be specific. So the more specific that you get, the less general it's going to be, but it also means that it's going to be really relevant to the actual people that you want to work with. So you don't want to be like overly fluffy and kind of using motivational language. You really want to use, if you already have experience with clients, try to use real words that you've heard them say. And that's when you're answering your questionnaire, that's where you want to pull in from reality, from things that you've heard people say. So you're kind of reflecting the truth back to them, and as you're reading on your website, it's like, oh, this person is literally in my brain right now.